normally have to go ahead and use my own IP address, so I'll go ahead and select this. I'll just copy it and I'll paste it over here. Is your payload handler on a different IP from your external NAT port forward address? No, I'll just go ahead and hit enter. Okay, I believe I need to enter something, so I'll just select yes. No, different IP from your external NAT. I believe so. No. Let's check and select the option that you want. So over here you can go ahead and make your own self-signed certificate applet. Use one that is built in into SCT, or you can go ahead and have your own signing certificate. I would be using the built-in one on the SCT, so I'll just select 2 and I'll hit enter. Enter the URL to clone. So I'll probably go ahead and use the Gmail one, so I'll just go ahead and select Gmail. Okay, did not start the new tab. Gmail. I'll just copy this and I'll paste it over here. So this would be going ahead and cloning this website. So what I need to do is that I need to go ahead and forward my IP address to that person, and as soon as he clicks on that link, he will be getting something that that he needs to go ahead and run this Java. And over here it's asking me which one do I want to run. If I go ahead and select one, it will go ahead and open the command prompt, but I don't want the command prompt because I have my interpreter shell which can do much more than just command prompt. So I'll just select 2 and I'll hit enter. And I would be using a backdoor executable, which is quite good enough for me to go ahead and gain access to the root system. Port would be the same, that's 443. And let the listener start. While by that time I'll just go ahead and use my IP address. Okay. So as you can see, moving payload into the closed side. That means the fake website that I created, I have moved this my virus into that website. So right now, let's say for example, let me tell you what exactly is the difference between actually going ahead and phishing that person to open a payload which is inside a PDF or an MP3, or a difference between actually going ahead and do that. If I go ahead and install a PDF or install a payload inside a PDF, I'll just go ahead and cancel this. And if I go ahead and send that to that person, okay, let me check. So if I go ahead and do that, what would normally happen is that if the person does not have Adobe Reader installed, he will not be able to run that PDF file, and I won't be able to open anything. So over here I need to make sure that even if the person does not have the Adobe Reader installed, he should be able to run. That's why I'm going ahead and asking him to run this website. So I would go ahead and send this to via email or through Facebook or something like that. Oh my god, see this video or see this image or something, and I'll go ahead and paste it over here. Not this. Just copy it and I'll... Okay, as you can see, this site uses a Java plugin that will soon be unsupported. Okay, let's see what error it's giving me. As you can see, it's giving me this error that whether I want to run this application. Normal person will simply go ahead and click on run, and as soon as they click on run, they will be redirected to the original website. So normal person will not be able to understand exactly what happened. Okay, I just click the run and I have my email ID. I can surely go ahead and log in. But what they don't know is that I have my interpreter session open over here. As you can see, I have sent my stage to that specific website and my session has been opened. So I'll just go ahead and select sessions 1 L and I'll select I and 1, and my session has started. Okay, I believe multiple sessions were opened. Okay, perfect. So, but there is a catch to this specific error. If I go ahead and close this thing, I'll show you what happens exactly. As you can see, if I go ahead and type something over here, let's say ls, it will still work. The reason being that even though my interpreter session was closed, there is still the Chrome still runs in the background, and that's why my thing is running. But if the person comes and sees in his for some reason, if he goes ahead and opens his task manager, he will see that so many command lines and so many PowerShell are still running. So he will probably try to go ahead and run everything, go ahead and close everything over here. So if he goes and closes each and every other thing, I will probably, okay, as you can see, my interpreter session has died. So I'll just go ahead and check sessions L. Okay, I still have my few other sessions running because that specific Java applet attack method opened multiple sessions. So I'll just go ahead and background this. And let's see how much sessions I have open. I have 4 sessions open over here. So if the person goes ahead and closes all these PowerShell, my session will directly get closed. But I don't want that to happen. So what I would do is that I will go ahead and open either of my sessions. Let's say for example 1, and I will go ahead and see, I'll just type PS to see all the PIDs that are running. So as you can see, I have whatever it's running over here. I can see all of these things over here. So I'll migrate my virus to something else. So let's see the PID of explorer.exe. I'll migrate myself to that. So it's 2324. So I'll just type migrate 2324 and I'll hit enter. Let's see if I'm able to successfully migrate. Perfect. Now even if the person goes ahead and closes each and everything over here, I'll still be able to keep my access to that no matter what happens, because I have migrated myself from the browser to the normal application, and now I have gone ahead and closed that, or I have migrated myself to the Explorer. So until unless the explorer.exe is closed, my session will still be running. I'll go ahead and show you that. I'll go ahead and close all the command prompts, and I'll get a few sessions died, but my session, original session is still running. I'll still go ahead and close all the, okay, perfect. Everything else is closed. I'll even go ahead and close the Java update scheduler. So as you can see, I have session 2 and session 4 closed. I'll hit enter, but as you can see, I have still this specific interpreter still running. If I go ahead and make it on the background, you can see that session 1 is still running and all others would be dead. So, but if the person is smart enough, which probably normally no people are, but if he goes ahead and closes his Explorer, but he will not have any kind of doubt that it will actually have migrated to his Explorer. But if he goes ahead and closes that, our interpreter session will close, and we won't be able to do anything after that. So, but normally the person will not be able to go ahead to this much level, and he will normally go ahead and not close the Explorer, which is actually a benefit for us. So yes, that is it for this tutorial, guys, and in the next tutorial I'll be starting with the man in the middle attack or the monkey in the middle attack. Till then, have fun.